Inside Nashville Intl Airport's new Concourse D expansion New Horizon project. BNA Airport's new Concourse D extension, a tour of Nashville's latest travel upgrade. Explore BNA's new Concourse D, 2025 travel guide and airport tour. Nashville International Airport's new Concourse D extension, enhanced CX and shopping. Inside Nashville Intl Airport's new Concourse D expansion New Horizon project. Nashville's aviation scene is soaring to new heights with the long-awaited launch of its expanded Concourse D, a major milestone in the airport's $3 billion New Horizon initiative. But here's where it gets impactful. This isn't just about added gates and new eateries. It's the first tangible leap toward transforming the airport into a world-class hub that can keep pace with the city's explosive growth. Let's break this down. The new Concourse D, set to officially welcome travelers on July 8, 2025, introduces 5 additional gates exclusively operated by Southwest Airlines. 2 of its most exciting features? A cutting-edge automated walkway system to slash travel times between gates, and the airport's very first open-air terrace, offering a refreshing respite from the usual terminal hustle. Plus, travelers will find new dining and retail options sprinkled throughout, ensuring there's something for every taste and traveler type. This debut marks just the beginning of the New Horizon project, a sweeping overhaul scheduled for full completion by 2029. Coming soon, upgraded parking structures designed to handle the influx of visitors, a reimagined road network including the Donaldson Pike interchange redesign, and hold your breath, the bold reconstruction of Concourse A. Here's the controversial part. The airport will tear down the entire concourse, a move some might question. Doug Crullen, CEO of the Metro Nashville Airport Authority, explains the process. We'll spend 3 to 4 months securing the area, cutting utilities, and deactivating systems. Then, it's demolition time. When the new Concourse A emerges by July 11, 2028, it'll nearly double in size, boosting total gates from 54 to 70. But why the demolition? Because incremental updates just won't cut it. The airport's leadership argues that Nashville's rapid ascent as a global destination demands aggressive infrastructure expansion. Mayor Freddie O'Connell drives this point home. Nashville's growth is outpacing even our most optimistic projections. Enhancing our air service, especially international routes, is critical to attracting global investors, visitors, and new residents. Yet, is demolishing existing infrastructure the most efficient solution? We'd love to hear your take. Do you support tearing down to rebuild, or should they have made do with smaller-scale upgrades? Sound off in the comments below. For real-time updates, catch WSMV4's live coverage across their platforms, but we'll give you a sneak peek. This isn't just an airport upgrade. It's Nashville's bid to become America's next aviation powerhouse. Copyright 2025 WSMV. All rights reserved. BNA Airport's new Concourse D extension, a tour of Nashville's latest travel upgrade. The Nashville Airport unveils a major upgrade, a glimpse into the future of BNA. BNA's transformation begins asterisk. On July 1st, the Nashville International Airport, BNA, revealed a significant step in its evolution with the opening of the Concourse D extension. This expansion is just the beginning of a grand vision for the airport's future, as outlined in the New Horizon plan. A $3 billion vision asterisk. The New Horizon project, a $3 billion investment, promises to transform BNA into a world-class travel hub. The Concourse D extension is the first completed project, and it's already making waves. The first half of the concourse opened in 2020, and the remaining 5 gates are set to become operational on July 8, offering a glimpse of the airport's ambitious future. Southwest Airlines takes center stage asterisk. Southwest Airlines is set to be a key player at the new Concourse D, as confirmed by Andrew Watterson, COO of Southwest. With a love for Music City, the airline currently operates 172 daily flights from Nashville, a number that will increase to 183 in October. This expansion solidifies Southwest's commitment to the region. A milestone for BNA's future asterisk. Doug Crullen, president and CEO of the Airport Authority, highlighted the importance of this project, stating that the Concourse D extension is not just a physical upgrade, but a strategic milestone. It allows B&A to focus on future developments, including the redevelopment of Concourse A, a new central ramp, and improved terminal roadways. These projects are crucial to accommodate the airport's growing passenger numbers, aiming to serve 40 million annual passengers in the future. Concourse D, a traveler's paradise asterisk. The Concourse D extension is more than just additional gates. Here's what travelers can expect. A grand entrance asterisk. B&A now boasts a 165-foot-long moving walkway, as long as the Athena statue at the Parthenon. This impressive feature will be mirrored in the new Concourse A. Artistic ambience asterisk. The concourse is adorned with unique art installations. Elizabeth Williams' Twine with My Mingles is a 180-foot-long loom-woven masterpiece, while Benjamin Ball's A Thread Without End suspends 620 stainless steel spheres in the concessions area. Brenda Stein's Our Radiant City showcases Nashville's iconic buildings in a shimmering terrazzo display at the center of the concourse. Record-breaking design asterisk. The extension's end is circular, resembling a giant record. The record node stands 72 feet high and 176 feet in diameter, a unique tribute to music culture. Outdoor Oasis asterisk. The first outdoor terrace at B&A offers a peaceful retreat with airfield views. Seating 40, it's enclosed by 10-foot-tall glass walls, creating a serene patio space. Dining and shopping extravaganza asterisk. 8 new dining, drinking, and shopping concepts will keep travelers entertained. From the lively atmosphere of 3rd and Broadway to the culinary delights of Sandella's Flatbread Cafe and New Heights Cantina and Taqueria, there's something for every taste. The castle caters to soccer enthusiasts, while Flight's virtual dining hall offers a modern dining experience. For fashion and souvenirs, Daniel X Diamond and Nashville Tracks by Hudson provide unique options. And this is just the beginning. B&A's New Horizon plan promises to revolutionize the airport experience, sparking excitement and curiosity about what's to come. But will these developments truly enhance the traveler's journey, or are they merely cosmetic changes? What do you think? Share your thoughts on this ambitious airport transformation. Explore B&A's new Concourse D, 2025 travel guide and airport tour. Revolutionary transformation takes flight. B&A's stunning new Concourse D expansion. By Lily Faye Kramer. Sunday, July 6, 2025 at 12 p.m. Nashville International Airport's breathtaking Concourse D expansion opens July 8th, featuring 5 additional gates, 8 unique dining and shopping venues, an outdoor terrace, and mesmerizing art installations that could forever change how we experience air travel. Photo: Fox 17 News. Nashville, Tennessee, WSTV, air travel through Music City is about to be revolutionized. Nashville International Airport, B&A, has revealed its stunning Concourse D extension, welcoming its first travelers on July 8th. Have you ever dreamed of an airport that feels more like a destination than a transition point? This groundbreaking expansion might redefine your expectations forever. And here's where it gets fascinating. This isn't merely functional. It's an immersive experience. A remarkable partnership between B&A and the arts at the Airport Foundation has created a space where utility meets inspiration. The striking record node delivers sweeping panoramic views of both the dynamic airfield and Nashville's distinctive skyline, honoring the city's musical soul while offering a peaceful respite from travel stress. Perhaps the most revolutionary feature is the innovative outdoor terrace, a genuine sanctuary for passengers who've endured hours in confined aircraft cabins. Picture yourself breathing fresh Tennessee air between flights, a luxury rarely found in American airports. The practical improvements are substantial. 5 new gates will significantly boost B&A's capacity to handle Nashville's surging visitor numbers. Culinary adventures await at 8 diverse new dining and retail establishments throughout the concourse. Visitors can savor experiences at 3rd and Broadway, showcasing authentic Southern cuisine. Sandella's Flatbread Cafe, offering health-conscious global fare. New Heights Cantina and Taqueria, bringing vibrant Mexican flavors. The Castle, providing elevated dining experiences. Flight's virtual dining hall, pioneering innovative food concepts. Daniel X Diamond, featuring unique shopping opportunities. Nashville Tracks by Hudson, celebrating music-inspired merchandise. Martini, presenting sophisticated beverage options. And this is what transforms ordinary terminals into extraordinary spaces, thoughtfully integrated artwork. 3 remarkable installations await discovery. Twine with My Mingles by Nashville artist Elizabeth Williams of New Hat Project spans an impressive 180 feet along the moving walkway, blending traditional loom weaving techniques with contemporary custom-printed wristbands, where heritage craftsmanship meets modern innovation. A Thread Without End by Los Angeles-based Benjamin Ball of Ballnogue Studios creates a mesmerizing visual between gates D7 and D8, with 620 meticulously arranged stainless steel spheres suspended above the concessions area. Our Radiant City by Nashville artist Brenda Stein encircles the Record Node Center, featuring gleaming terrazzo depictions of Nashville's iconic buildings, serving as both navigational landmark and artistic celebration of local identity. The architectural masterminds at Hensel Phelps and Fentress Architects prioritized natural illumination with abundant windows, creating spaces that evoke premium lounges rather than conventional airport corridors. This emphasis on daylight maintains a crucial psychological connection to the outside world typically absent in airport environments. But here's where debate might ignite. As airports across America struggle to balance efficiency with passenger experience, has BNA established a new benchmark that will force other cities into similar investments? And in an era of growing climate awareness, do more appealing airports potentially encourage air travel when environmental considerations might suggest moderation? What's your perspective on these premium airport enhancements? Do they represent essential infrastructure improvements or unnecessary extravagance? Has thoughtful design significantly impacted your travel experiences? Join the conversation in the comments section. Get reports like this and all the news of the day in Middle Tennessee delivered to your inbox each morning with the Fox 17 News Daily Newsletter. Nashville International Airport's new Concourse D extension, enhanced CX and shopping. BNA's stunning Concourse D expansion redefines airport experience. Nashville International Airport has officially unveiled its breathtaking Concourse D extension during an exclusive preview event co-organized with the Arts at the Airport Foundation. This impressive expansion introduces 5 additional gates, 8 new dining and retail establishments, a convenient moving walkway, and 3 original art installations. The extension culminates in a spectacular rotunda offering sweeping panoramic views, from which travelers can access the airport's first-ever outdoor terrace, providing stunning vistas of both the airfield and Nashville's downtown skyline. This completion represents the first finished project in the ambitious $3 billion New Horizon expansion and renovation initiative at BNA. Successfully completing the Concourse D extension, delivering it punctually and under financial projections, represents not just a significant achievement for our New Horizon program, but also provides us with the necessary space and resources to focus on upcoming developments, explained Doug Crolin, President and CEO of Metropolitan Nashville Airport Authority. These include the complete demolition and rebuilding of Concourse A, development of a central ramp, and enhancement of terminal roadways. But here's where it gets crucial. These New Horizon projects are absolutely essential for BNA to accommodate its projected capacity of 40 million annual passengers in coming years. The expanded Concourse D introduces 8 exciting new venues where travelers can dine, enjoy beverages, and shop. Asterisk 3rd and Broadway. Located at the epicenter of Nashville's vibrant entertainment district, this intersection captures the essence of what makes Nashville a premier tourist destination, offering visitors an authentic taste of the city's iconic sights, sounds, flavors, and experiences. Asterisk Sandella's Flatbread Cafe. Specializing in distinctive flatbread creations, this establishment also serves invigorating fresh juices and meticulously crafted artisanal coffees. Asterisk New Heights Cantina and Taqueria. This venue pairs award-winning local New Heights beer with authentic Mexican cuisine. The concept features a comprehensive breakfast menu, live musical performances, and a convenient taco truck option for travelers in a hurry. Asterisk the Castle. This energetic restaurant and bar creates the perfect atmosphere for soccer enthusiasts to savor delectable food, refreshing beverages, and experience the excitement of Nashville SC matches. Asterisk Flight's Virtual Dining Hall. This innovative concept revolutionizes traditional airport dining by offering freshly prepared meals and diverse culinary options in a modern setting. Asterisk Daniel X Diamond. The fashion brand beloved by country music stars now brings its expanded collection to V&A, featuring an array of rhinestone-adorned products alongside their signature fringe jackets. Asterisk Nashville Tracks by Hudson. This establishment pays tribute to the city's rich musical heritage and tradition of craft spirit production. Visitors can explore merchandise from local artisans while also finding travel necessities including snacks, beverages, technology accessories, and reading materials. Asterisk Martini. Offering expertly prepared martinis, delicious sandwiches, gourmet flatbreads, craft beer selections, and premium frothy monkey coffee. And this is the part most people miss. The Concourse D extension isn't just about adding gates and shops. It represents a fundamental shift in how airports can blend functionality with local culture and comfort. What do you think about airports investing in such extensive renovations? Are these luxury additions necessary, or should airports focus solely on operational efficiency? Share your thoughts in the comments below.